Now next angle is about a straight angle. What is a straight angle? Let us see our definition. Straight angle, that means equal to 180. Straight angle is a one ray and another ray. OB is a ray 1, OA is a ray 1. Here dotted line, that means it is a perpendicular. Right? So angle X from this OA to OB, this is known as a straight angle. If you use that what I said, cone marker or a router, you can see that from A to B you will get total 180. So it is known as straight angle. Both the side it will be 180, down also and upper also. So if straight angle means equal to the 180. Second, reflex angle. Very important. Reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180. Greater than 180. Suppose 180 is here. Greater than 180 but less than 360. But less than 360. Suppose example is given to you. P, Q and R. So outer angle is a reflex angle. Reflex angle, that means a outer angle is reflex angle. If somebody will say that angle PQR is 60, you have to find a reflex angle of angle PQR. Then what you will do? 360 minus 60. Then what you will get? 300. Right? Reflex angle, that means what? Suppose angle P Q R equals to just now let us consider as a 70. Find reflex angle of angle PQR. See, the same angle they will use the word angle PQR both the side. If angle PQR is 70, then find the reflex angle of PQR. Reflex angle, for that what you will do? You will do 360 minus 70 equals to, why? Because it is known as reflex angle 290. 290. So answer is 290, which is between 180 to 360. It is an example, so you can relate this to the definition. Angle which is greater than 180 but less than 360. If any angle will be given to you and they will ask find the reflex angle for the same angle, simply you have to use the formula, that is 360 minus given value. That means you will get a reflex angle from the asked question. Okay. Now sixth, it is a complementary angle. Complementary angle. Very easy. If the sum of two angles is 90. Again, if the sum of two angles is 90. 90, that means right angle, right? If you take any two angles and if you add both and you will get exactly 90, that means they both are complementary angles. Let us see one example. Now you can see here it is a right angle, which is a right angle AOB are right angle, right? And the one line is still between the both the arms, that is OC. Now they form, one is 30, one is 60. For example, I hold the number 30 and 60. If angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 90 degree, that means the 8 is a complementary angle. It is the formula. Sometimes they ask, what they ask? Suppose angle AOC equals to 60 and find the another complementary angle, then what you will do? Then you will do angle COP equals to 90 minus 60. That will be 30. So angle will be 30 because it is a complementary. If two values are given, then one you have to find by subtracting or adding both. Right? So this way you can find a complementary angle. Similarly, a supplementary. There is no more any logic, but sum will be changed. If the sum of two angle is 180 in place of 90, that is a 180. Right? If the sum of two angle is 180, that means they are a supplementary angles. For example, which is the 180 angle? AOC. AOC is a 180 degree angle. Now, one still arm is going on to the point B. So, OB is one more line. Suppose AOB is 120, then BOC is 60. If you total the both, you can get 180. That means they are supplementary angle. Right? In place of anything 20 or 60, in place of you can take any numbers as a angle, and you are getting 180, that means it is a supplementary. Here the formula is angle AOB plus angle COB equals to 180. So this is the main difference between complementary and supplementary angle. The next angle is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, that means they are adjacing with each other. If I use the word adjacent, that means they are adjacing with each other. So let us read the definition of adjacent angle. If two angles have a one common vertex and arm. Again, if two angles have one common vertex and arm. Two angle, that means any two angles you can choose. And another non-common arms on other side. See, here it is the example. Now we choose any two angles. Which are they? Angle ABB and angle BBC. These are two angles, common vertex and arms. Common vertex, that means D. If you write this both the name, D is common vertex, right? And common arms, that is BD, because while you are explaining this or this, common arm is BD and vertex is D. And another is non-common, BC and BA, both are non-common. So we can say that these both angles are adjacent angle. So here I wrote in for the knowledge only. Common arms from this definition and diagram. Common arm BD. Yes? Common arm BD. Non-common arms BA and BC. Then by this formed adjacent angle. Which are they? Angle ABD and angle DBC. Though both angles are adjacent angles, right? So by this formula we can define what is the meaning of common arm, non-common arm and adjacent angle. See, in 2 marks they used to ask. Suppose one is given 45 and total they will ask. And then you have to find the adjacent angle for this angle. If they are asked, find an adjacent angle for a 180 when the angle is given 45. Then what you have to do? 180 minus 45. Remain will be your adjacent angle. So this way you have to write the theory in your fair book with the example and with every detail which is required to understand the theory and sums. Okay, thank you.